What's up guys, here's my first video for the Influence in Black week. This is a one product wash and go tutorial featuring the Doux. I'm going to be using the Mousse Def. I love to play on the names with this brand. I'm going to use the Mousse Def as my styler today. And right now I'm just separating my hair into sections, and I find that anytime I'm doing any of my styling, this is the easiest way for me to style my hair. So I always end up parting my hair into 3 sections for the most part. I just do one down the middle and put one complete side up, and then I just separate that remaining side into 2 parts before I begin working. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a lot of mousse, and that's because I really want to make sure that my hair is thoroughly saturated for the styling portion of this video. And I say that because I am using one product only, and this is my first time using it, so I really don't know the best way to gauge going about this, but I tend to notice that anytime I'm using a mousse, it's better for me to oversaturate, or make sure that the hair is thoroughly saturated before I begin the remaining of my actual styling. This way my hair, I find, is easier to work with because it's covered in product, especially with mousses. I find that they're a little more lightweight, so I do require a little more product than usual. And as you can see, I am raking the product through my hair as I am adding it in, and I'm just going to shake some sections just a little bit, just so that I can really get my curls activated. But raking the product through from root to tip is going to be extremely important because I really want to make sure that all of the hair is covered. One thing I want to make note of is my hair is already detangled before I am doing my styling, and I find that working on detangled hair just makes it so much easier on yourself. But as I'm raking my fingers through my hair, I am going to be finger detangling as well, but just working on thoroughly detangled hair is it makes it easier overall. So with this section here, I am going to split it into 2 to really just make sure that everything is thoroughly covered and saturated with product. And just sometimes working in smaller sections just makes it a little bit easier so that you can really concentrate on not only covering your hair in product, but also helping to work along with the styling. So this allows me to rake through the hair a lot easier, but also really focus on the curls just to make sure that my curls are clumping and just really activating as we go along through the styling process. All right, so all individual sections are done. Now I'm just going to take that clip down from the back where I did clip some of the hair out of the way. And I'm just going to go about blending all of the sections now. I'm just doing a last run through to make sure that everything is thoroughly covered in product, but also that my hair is fully detangled. Now you will notice, as I mentioned, that I will shake some sections just to really make sure that my curls are clumping and activating as I would like for styling. So I'm just going to take a little more mousse and I'm just going to really go through and just make sure that my hair is covered and detangled. And then I'm going to go into my final portion of styling, which would be scrunching. And I find that scrunching really helps to enhance my curl pattern and really make it defined. All right, guys, we are finishing up. So I dried my hair about 75% of the way, and then I finished off with a diffusing session. And I love diffusing my hair dry because I find that it really helps me secure like the definition that I love, but also the volume and height. So anytime I diffuse my hair, I always diffuse on low heat but a high setting to get it done really fast. So now I'm gonna go back in with my blow dryer, no diffuser attachment. And what this does is it allows me to stretch my hair. So what I love to do with this is I put my blow dryer on high heat and a high setting, and then I just really blow it on my roots, and I move very quickly to avoid any damage at all. And I'm only doing this so that I can really just stretch my hair and really get more length and volume that I love. Then I'm gonna go in with my pick and I'm just gonna pick it all over until I achieve my desired look. Alright guys, here is the final look. So I'm just going to give y'all a quick little shake so you can see it is still moving. It has bounce, it's fluffy, it's defined, it's soft, it's shiny. Like, I really love how my hair looks with this product. And like I said, this was my first time trying the Doux all together, from like my shampoo and my conditioning session to my actual styler, and I just really love the results. My hair does not feel sticky, it does not feel hard and crunchy, which is super important. I think like my main goals anytime I'm doing a wash and go are definitely volume and definition. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the playlist that has the other influence in black content in it. I will definitely link that below, and I will see you guys in my next video.